I honestly don't think I can live without my summer Fridays. This is me auditioning to be your favorite content creator. I went a little overboard with my freckles, I don't know if you can see. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? I have a little friend over here and I don't exactly know how to get rid of it. I have one here and one there. I did this makeup for TikTok and it actually looks really good on camera, but in real life it looks a little patchy, but that's okay. We don't care, you know, those things happen and we don't really care because we're just girls. I am so hungry right now. Like I can literally eat a whole chicken. I'm starving, literally. I'm starving. I'm gonna make some fettuccine. What was that? Some fettuccine. Prawns. We're gonna make a garlicky, buttery fettuccine pasta with prawn. So let's get started. Yesterday I actually was making cookies, right? I started my vlog yesterday. I filmed everything and the part where I was actually tasting the cookie, my video was recorded in slow-mo, okay? So I was editing the vlog and I had to delete everything because like I honestly am so new to this whole editing stuff, so I don't know how to make a slow video go from like slow to like, I don't know, times 2 speed or back to its normal like pace. So I just ended up deleting the whole footage and I was really sad because it was a nice vlog. It was actually a nice vlog. I baked, I made cookies, you know, it was my first time making cookies and it tasted really good as well. It was about 10 of them and I shared it with my family, some from my cousins, and they really liked it as well. And my camera just decided to, you know, not cooperate very well with me in the end. So I'm gonna boil my pasta now. We actually cook our food outside because we have an outdoor kitchen and we don't really make food inside because my mother doesn't allow me. I honestly don't think I can live without my summer Fridays. We're gonna take off my contact lenses. I already washed my hands, so if anybody's wondering, oh my god, it's so dry. This is literally dry. I don't think this will even take my legs off. Okay, so first things first, I need to put some eye cream because my dark circles are out of this world. It's so dark. I've been really enjoying this TVH Skincare Skin Milk Toner. Super hydrating on the skin. Like so good. I want to apply this face mask my sister got from Amazon, but I'm kind of skeptical about it because I don't know the brand, and I have a little friend here and here. Should I risk it for the biscuit? This is the one. It's called Olay Bio Collagen Deep Hydrating Mask. I don't know why I like to smell everything I touch. Okay. Wait, where is this supposed to go? Right here? Oh yeah, it is. This is me auditioning to be your favorite content creator. Guys, I can't sleep like this. Good morning, guys. I know I look really hideous right now, but it's about 10 and I'm going to my friend's house tonight. So I was thinking of making her some cookies. I baked some cookies 2 days ago and they actually turned out so good. So I'm going to try and attempt making red velvet this time. I mean, all you need to do is just put in a little bit of red food coloring, I think. But I could be wrong, so let's pray to God that this will go well and they will turn out good. So yeah, let's make some cookies. I am browning the butter. That's a lot of butter. I just took a shower. I did a whole body shower and I feel so good. It's really hot outside, so I thought I'd just chuck on a tank top because it's so hot and sunny, but it's nice, you know, like we're heading towards winter, so the weather is like very like mid. It's not too hot, but it's hot. It's not too cold, but it's like a nice breeze. I was actually getting ready in the bathroom, so I put all of my makeup in this bag and it's just in here. You can twist it and it's like a cute little pouch. So cute. But okay, I'm gonna speed through the makeup. I did a very simple makeup today. I went a little overboard with my freckles. I don't know if you can see, but that's okay. That is okay. I'm wearing these pants that I bought about 4 years ago and I've never had the chance to wear them because I used to be a little skinnier than I am now, so it was a bit loose around my waist. I can't really see myself Where's my glasses? Where's my glasses? You know what? Being blind and searching for your glasses. No. Super long, so I ordered them. And just this tank top. This is from Dish, and this is, I think, Breshka. I think it's from Iconic, one of the brands there. I want Breshka. But just casual cargo pants, since we're just gonna be staying inside. I thought, you know what, let me be a little comfortable and wear something that is, you know, really soft. So yeah, this is so nice. Wow. Good morning.
Good morning. It's a nice and sunny bright day. Good Friday, everybody. Have lots of fun and stay tuned.
Hi guys, I am home now. I just parked my car. I had such an amazing time with the girls. We were up until 4 AM in the morning and we slept till 10:30 this morning. Went out for a coffee and then yeah, we left and I'm home now.